back to my channel. This is Silly Crafting with Silly Baby. Thank you so much for tuning in again. I really appreciate all the support. Today we'll be doing our nails once again using dual forms. But this time I'm going to show you how to do 3 layers instead of 2. 3 layers to me just helps have a better apex, better shape, better thickness, and a lot more strength in your nails. So I hope you guys like it. I enjoy making this video for you guys, and let's get started. Here we have a list of materials. We begin by filing down the top shiny layer of all our nails. Now we can move on and add primer. My best friend got me these for my birthday and I just love them so much. They're all so pretty. But today I'm gonna go with this design right here. And now begin by grabbing my milky white polygel and my dual form and adding a small drop just inside the form to create our first layer. Once we have a drop done, I just go ahead and use the solution to smooth down the polygel. And now we have finished our first layer. Now we can go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. Now we go and repeat the same steps to the rest of the dual forms. Now for layer 2, we're going to repeat the same steps, just add a small drop right inside the form. Once we're done with the second layer, just put it right on top of your nail bed. Here I'm using my middle finger to hold the nail in place while I smooth down the polygel that came out from inside the nail. Once I'm done, I just use my solution and clean around the edges, make sure that I get all the gel, and now I cure for 30 seconds. Now once again, we repeat the same steps to the rest of the dual forms. Once we have all our nails done, we can begin removing them by just pinching, twisting, and then putting your nail right in between and popping it out. Now we can repeat the same steps and just remove all the dual forms from all your nails. Now that I have removed all my dual forms, this is where the third layer comes in, which goes right inside your nail, a small drop just like this. Now we take our solution and just smooth it out. I like using this method to add a lot more strength to the tip of my nails so they don't break so easily. I do this to all the tip of my nails, and once I'm ready, I just put my entire hand inside to cure. Here I have shaped and filed my nails. You can actually leave them like this, but I'll be moving on to the design part. I begin by using my nail block to remove the top shiny layer of my nails. Now I'll be using my nail stickers and just placing them wherever I like. These are all the stickers I'll be using today, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add a top coat to all my nails. And now I cure for 60 seconds. Here we are, guys, the finished product. I hope you guys liked it. I really like these nails. They are so fancy. And stay tuned. I'll make more videos soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'm still a small channel, so I appreciate all the support. Please also head over to my Instagram, sillycrafting_, for a lot more videos and pictures of my work. And just thank you so much.